Hi everyone, how are you doing? I hope you're having a fabulous day. So we have another new box to our channel to unbox today and I am super excited. This box is called Hemplife and this is what the packaging looks like. Like right when I opened it, like it was in another box. It smells really good and it's pretty heavy. So this is, like I said, a new subscription to our channel. So what I always do when we have new subscriptions is pull up a little information so we can get like the pricing and learn what it's all about. But before we get started, I just want to remind you all that there are 2 active giveaways on our channel. There's a 5,000 subscriber giveaway along with the $100 Yode giveaway, so definitely check that out. So yeah, what is Hemplife? I'm so excited. This is seriously, it's got some weight to it. So let me pull up my computer. So Hemplife is a hemp bath subscription. So it's all like bath products made with hemp. So this is super cool. I've gotten really into like using products like that and like CBD. Like I've done my CBDology box before. I know a lot of you guys like that. And then the like limited edition like CBD beauty box by Tribe, which had some like hemp bath products in it as well. So I'm definitely looking forward to using more products and experimenting more with that. So the pricing starts at $29.99 a month. It is available on Cratejoy, which is something I love. I love Cratejoy. I'm always browsing through there. So it says Hemplife is a monthly supply of bath products made by various artisans in the US and Canada using hemp as the main natural ingredient. Hemp contains high levels of antioxidants, fatty acids, minerals, and vitamins that are amazing for the skin, hair, and overall health. It comes with shampoo, conditioner, soap, bath bomb, candle, lip balm, and lotion. Love all of those. Luxury quality products are included. The box value is over $100, made of all natural ingredients, and again, it's made by various artisans from both the US and Canada. So they have 2 different subscription options. Like I said, it starts at $29.99, which is the Hemplife Basics. Then they have the Hemplife Spa, which is $34.50, and the Hemplife Premium, which is $55. So of course I will be linking that down below if you are interested. But anyways, let's crack open into this box and see what we got. When I open it, this is what I see. I'm trying to not spill everything out. It looks like there is a card on top, like a little note. So let's see what it says. This box knowing. It says, hello there, thank you so much for featuring Hemplife on your YouTube channel. Please share the following information with your subscribers. So they say subscribe at hemplife.cratejoy.com. Like I said, I'll link that down below. And it talks about the pricing options, which I just went through, and they let me know that I have the Hemplife Premium box, so awesome. And they say more box details on the site, which we also just went through, so awesome, we're ready to go. So they did kindly send this to me free for review. Thank you so much, I'm so excited. So on top there's also a Hemplife sticker. And then, awesome, there's a card that gives some information and pricing information as well, which I truly appreciate, you know. I love a good information card. So it says, the total retail value for these hemp products is close to $100. They are made by various artisans in the US and Canada. Hemp is the main ingredient. Okay, so pretty much what we read already, and then it lists everything in there, so awesome. And then it is sealed with this like cute little hemp seal. Let me get it off. I like feel bad ripping this, it's so cute. Can you guys see the imprint on there? And then there is a little card. And then everything is in this pretty green tissue paper. So, oh my god, there's a lot in here. I'm so excited. Let's start with this product. This is Lavender and Lemon Deodorant Bar. And this is made in Vancouver. And it looks like this might go into my natural deodorant video. So I've been testing out natural deodorants for weeks now. I had to stop, I got irritated by one, so it looks like this one's made out of good stuff. It's aluminum free, so that's why it would kind of fall into the natural thing. So it's made with organic hemp oil, grapeseed oil, vitamin E, arrowroot powder, organic shea butter, organic beeswax, baking soda that's aluminum free, polysorbate, apple cider vinegar, organic lavender oil, and organic lemon oil. And this is just like such cute packaging. I don't know, I get like so excited about deodorant. I'm still trying to find like the perfect one. You know, I've been on a quest for months. And I have found some good ones, but you know, still looking for the perfect one, so excited to try this. This has a retail value of $6. I'm gonna open it because I want to smell it. It smells good. I smell lavender the most. Yeah, definitely. And that's not even very high up on the list, but I get like a scent, like lavender and like a little bit of citrus. So awesome. I am excited to try this, and the cute packaging definitely helps too. Love it. The next thing is a bath bomb. This is by Bethany Bath House. This is their hemp bath bomb, and it has Hemplife on there. This is super cute. You know, I love baths and bath bombs. I just love bath products so much, like skincare, everything. So let's see where this is on here. This is $4.50. Next up, this is by Luminous Stone. This is patchouli and vanilla hemp, 100% essential oil hemp lotion, botanicals and willow bark, made with 100% therapeutic grade essential oils, made with all natural ingredients. I like the packaging on this. Awesome. Let's see, how much is this one? This is $10.99. So let's get this open. Try a little bit. I like the pump. That was really easy to open. Sometimes I can't get like those pumps that you have to like turn to like pop up. I don't know if it's defective or me, but that worked fine. Ooh, this smells good. I love the scent of patchouli. But it's not like too, yeah, there's definitely vanilla to it as well. I like this. Awesome. I love lotions. It looks like we've got a lip balm in here as well by Herbology Organics. White Nectarine Peach Natural Hemp Lip Balm. Indulge and protect your precious pout with this botanical derived lip balm that will leave your lips luxuriously soft and supple with just the right amount of plump. It contains organic coconut oil, organic hemp seed oil, organic cocoa butter, organic shea butter, organic beeswax, vitamin E, and essential oil blend. Awesome. Oh, now my hands are all lotiony. I can't really get this open, but awesome. Everybody loves some lip balm, right? And we have shampoo and conditioner. Awesome. I'm so excited. This is by Wild Nettle Apothecary. This is argan and hemp plant-based herbal shampoo and conditioner. And it says on the shampoo that hemp oil maintains hair's natural texture and nourishes the scalp, while argan oil helps to hydrate and soften your hair. This blend is high in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamin E. It's a natural plant-based shampoo in harmony with nature. Made with pure plant-based ingredients, cruelty-free, no petroleum products, no parabens, no synthetic fragrances, no artificial colors, no formaldehyde. And then that, like, it's made with all the same things, or not with the things also listed on the conditioner. But the conditioner says argan and hemp is a hydrating conditioner that deeply penetrates to replenish moisture, revive healthy luster, and build stronger hair. The gentle formula is enriched with herbal hydrosols and botanical oils that nourish your hair and scalp naturally. And these are both 8 ounces, and they are made in West Virginia. And I am really excited to try these out. Let's see if I can get a sniff of one. It smells very earthy. I like it. I'm so excited. I love getting new things like this. This is so interesting. I've never even heard of hemp in your shampoo and conditioner, but it makes sense because it's good properties. So it looks like we have a soap here. This is by Franken Farms Dirty Hippie Goat's Milk and Hemp Healing Soap, all organic. See what it says in the back. Our natural healing soap provides excellent benefits to your skin. Goat's milk soap base, hemp oil, beeswax, vitamin E oil, hemp seed, clove, cinnamon, tea tree, peppermint, patchouli, and rosemary oil. Made with love in small batches by Franken Farms. This is such cute packaging too. I'm loving the packaging of everything in here. And the scent, and just like, I just love bath products so much. This smells so good. Oh, I wish you guys can smell. And it looks like we have one more thing in here, and it is in this pretty bag. I hope it's another candle. It looks like it might be a candle. I said another candle because I just got one in another box, but I love candles so much. I love all this kind of stuff. This is like perfect for me, this box. Okay, there's some wrapping too. Let's get this off. Yeah, hemp oil seed candle by Thera Products. So that is what the top looks like. And then seal. I love candles so much. Oh, I haven't been telling you the prices of everything before I open that candle. The shampoo and conditioner set is $32. The soap bar is $4. The lip therapy, you could have gotten it in pear or peach. I got it in peach, and it is $5. And then this candle, whoa, is $29. This is an expensive candle. Ooh, cool, look at it. There's like, you can see seeds in there. smells pretty good. Very earthy. I like it. I think it looks so cool. I wonder what it's like when you burn it. Like, awesome. I had a, I know this is different, but I had like a CBD candle before, CBD oil, so this is a little different. This is hemp. But awesome. So let's just do a quick recap. So we got a candle, yes. This deodorant, which I'm super psyched. I don't know why, I just love that packaging. I think it's so cute. We got some lip balm, some healing soap, it smells really good. The shampoo and conditioner, I might be like the most excited about this. I don't know, I really like this lotion. This was awesome. And the bath bomb too, super excited to use this. Oh, this box just smells so good altogether. I love when you open a box and it just smells so good. This is so exciting. I love getting stuff like this. What do you guys think? Have you guys used any like hemp bath products specifically? Definitely let me know and let me know your thoughts if you guys have tried this box. And if you're interested, again, I will leave a link in the description box along with all my giveaways, all my social media handles if you have not yet followed me. Why not? I'm always on Instagram stories and Snapchat if you want to keep in touch there in between videos. But anyways, thank you so much for being here and unboxing with me. I hope you have an amazing day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!